Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll discuss the Aware widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on. On the screen, the widget is already dropped inside the page. Leaving all the as usual layout controls behind, let's jump into the items section. There are 6 item boxes pre-inserted. If you need to add more, go ahead and click the Add Item button. Then, let's click on an item box. First, you can change the image of the gallery item from the top option. Then comes the title of the image item. Just like that, feel free to complete the whole bunch of items. Once you're done, the gallery already looks complete with the required images and titles. So, let's go back to the layout section. Note that this is the first layout style for the Aware Gallery widget. Try hovering over the items to see the animation effects. There are 5 layout styles available. Selecting the second layout style will just reverse the animation effect from the first style. But all 5 layout styles pick a different approach to the content presentation and add up to the number of ways you can utilize those animations. Please take your time observing all 5 layout styles to select the best one for your landing page. Below, you can adjust the row gap, column gap, and item height scroll bars to adjust those values to reflect the changes on the gallery widget layout directly. Then comes item alignment, masonry, show title switchers, and other options. Additionally, you can use the image size option to customize the sizes of all images at once. Now, clicking on the link field and selecting media file will pop up a lightbox option for the gallery images. Then clicking on the images will open them in lightboxes. Next, we already explored the item section to some degree. Now click on the entrance animation section and turn on the switcher to add an animation to the image gallery. Turning on that switcher will load the default animation style if you notice. Then you can calibrate the animation styles using the options provided here. For now, let's keep it off. Now switching to the Style tab, the first section lets you customize the background color and border of the items. For instance, let's change the border radius values to make the corners rounder. There are padding and margin fields right below. You can customize the accent color, then the primary color and the secondary color for the gallery. From the title section, you can make the titles fully black in color. Then go for the typography option to change the font settings of the title text. Just with little changes like this, you can create awesome image galleries for your landing pages using the Aware Gallery widget. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.